With states easing coronavirus restrictions and summer weather already underway, people are figuring out how to connect with others while trying to stay safe. The search term, social distancing get-together ideas, spiked 600% in popularity this week, according to a tweet from Google Trends. However, with the ongoing pandemic and no approved treatment or vaccine for COVID-19, why are people interested in hanging out with each other despite the risk of infection? As humans, we are driven to connect. We have a fundamental motivation to belong, said Teresa DiDonato, an associate professor of psychology at Loyola University. Being with people can help boost self-esteem and provide a sense of meaning and purpose, according to DiDonato. The fact that we're in this strange situation, that we're not supposed to be in close proximity to other people, feels very unnatural to us, she said. Even quarantining with family or roommates can still leave people craving for interactions with close friends, as they fulfill different relational needs, according to DiDonato. Wearing masks and socializing at a distance add further complication as humans often rely on facial expressions and nonverbal cues to communicate. Trying to follow the guidelines closely, even though it's tempting not to, becomes a real challenge, she said. To confront these obstacles, people have had to get creative and find activities appropriate for their age and interests. Christine Carter, a sociologist and life coach based in the San Francisco Bay Area, said her household is relying heavily on the outdoors for get-togethers. The family's 4 teenagers are allowed to meet outside with a small number of friends while social distancing. One of my daughters had a picnic birthday party where every person brought a blanket that was big enough, she said. They spaced them all out and were able to do it in a way where everybody was around the birthday girl. She said it was actually really fun and something that they would always remember. In addition to picnics, the family's teens have also organized social distancing hikes with their friends. This kind of peer interaction is particularly important for young people's mental health during the pandemic, according to Carter. Teenagers really need a source of emotional support outside of the household, especially going through everything that they're going through, she said. For younger children, social interaction with friends may have to be more supervised, according to Maria Zamiti, clinical director of Georgetown Psychology, which has therapy practices in Maryland, Virginia and Washington, D.C. She recommends outdoor activities where it's easy for children to social distance from each other. Parents have to put on their camp counselor hat, she said. Activities can be as simple as a nature walk, picnic, riding scooters and bikes, hopscotch, sprinkler play and backyard water slides.